Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2020 Renault Traffic. This is a crew cab, 6-seater with cloth-lined seats. This does have 28,000 miles upon the clock. This is a Sport Business Plus model as well, getting you from A to B as quick as possible. Now this does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, as well as voice assist, as well as air conditioning in the vehicle. This does have a touch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, parking sensors on it as well. Now in at the back we do have 3 cloth lined seats, as well as a rather nice wooden finish upon the floor. Now I will just show you the load area at the back, and as you can see, it is felt lined over the wheel arches with this almost checkerboard nice sort of space. And if you would like to find out more about this Renault Traffic, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk.